Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you my Christmas theme bikini. Okay, so the front is red, the back is green. Okay, and I have added okay this flower motif, and I just attach them to the top, and the back is just simple. Okay, so with this one, if if you're a beginner, okay, I will be putting my tutorial, my step-by-step tutorial for bikini. Okay, and you just have to adjust, okay, but that one as well, it's a tutorial for a bikini. Okay, if you want it bigger, okay, you can just like adjust it. Okay, so for this one I will just have to show you how to start. Okay, so to start this bikini here, and then I will put in the description box. Okay, if you're just starting, I will put in the description box my step-by-step tutorial for bikini. Okay, but I will go through with you this one, guys. But for this one I will show you how to start. Okay, so we have to make a slip knot, and then we are going to chain 14. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, so you can use, this one here that I used is a cotton yarn. Okay, and the one that I'm using here is acrylic. Okay, so it's up to you guys if but as you can see, it's the same. Okay, and this crochet hook I'm using is 2.5 millimeter hook. Okay, so after we've done 14, okay, we are going to chain 2. Okay, and then we are going to half double crochet in that first in the last chain that we blocked. Okay, the 14th chain. Okay, so okay, yarn over. Okay, insert, pull up the loop. Okay, we have 3, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, so yarn over, insert, pull up, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, so we are just going to do that. Okay, so I'm just doing this and using this stitch. Okay, so our front, okay, is tight and not that visible, so you can just, I'm just using this so I don't have to put any linings and stuff. As you can see, it's very tight. Okay, because we're using a half double crochet. Okay, it's tight and not that visible. Okay, you can do single crochet as well, but as you can see, it's pretty good. Okay, so chain 2. Okay, then we're coming back. Okay, so this one here is for our chain 2, and we are going to do a half double crochet in the next stitch and half double crochet. So as you can see, it's not that visible because they are a little bit tight compared to double crochet. Okay, so you can tighten it up if you wanted. Okay, so you're just going to continue that. Okay, half double crochet, and I'm going to show you, or I'm going to count, you know, the one that there's no increase. Okay, so how many rows would you have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, so 13 rows, 13 rows that we don't increase. Okay, and then 14, from 14 we are going to increase. Okay, so increase in both sides. So increase here in the first chain, you put 2 half double crochet, and the last chain 2 half double crochet. Okay, so you are just going to continue that 2 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet going up. Okay, and I have done from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Okay, from the increase, 18 rows of increase, half double crochet. And then, okay, so this part here is double crochet. So I do have 1 2 3 4 5 double crochet, 5 rows of double crochet, and then I've got this design here. So as you can see, so I have 5 rows, and then this design I have it in the back, as you can see here. Okay, so 3 double crochet in the same stitch, and then double crochet, and then 3 double crochet in the same stitch again. So the same as this one. Okay, so you have to continue that. Okay, so as I said, you know, 5 rows of double crochet, and then in the first, okay, in the first is you have to chain 3. Okay, and in the same stitch you are going to add 2 double crochet, and then skip 2, and then 3 double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and then you have to continue that all the way to the next end. Okay, and then on the top of that, okay, on the top of that, so you will be ending here, so chain 3, and then just 1 double crochet each of every stitch going back. And then when you got to the end, okay, we are going to do the same thing. Okay, so chain 3, and then in the same stitch we are going to put 2 double crochet, and chain 2, and then 2 double crochet. And then with this flower here, with this flower, what I'm going to do is I will put the link, okay, into the description box, because I do have a tutorial for this already. Okay, I will put that into the description box. So that is the front. Okay, so that is the front, so you have that ready. And then to the back, okay, so to the back, okay, you're going to start, okay, into the first chain here, and then chain 3. Okay, so this is just 2 double crochet the whole thing. Okay, so what happened here is you chain 3, and then in the same stitch you put 2 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet in each chain here, and then to the end is 2 double crochet. That's we have increased. And then the second row at the back, okay, so 3 double crochet, chain 3, add 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and then 1 double crochet in each stitch here, and in the end you have to put 3 double crochet. So 3 double crochet in the first chain, and then 3 double crochet in the last chain. Okay, so we have to do that. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so that is 12 rows. Okay, and then the 13 rows, instead of 3 double crochet, we only have 2 double crochet for the increase. 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each stitch, and then in the end is 2 double crochet. Okay, so chain 3, 1 more double crochet in the same stitch, and then 1 double crochet in each stitch until you get to the end. Okay, and you have to put 2 double crochets in the end, and then chain 3, 1 more double crochet in the same stitch, and then 1 double crochet in each, and 2 double crochet in the end. So from here, okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, yes, so 13 rows of 12 rows. Okay, so 12 rows of 3 double crochet in the increase. Okay, and from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 rows of 2 double crochet increase. Okay, and after that we have here in the first, okay, so chain 3, and then 2 more double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2, and 3 double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2, 3 double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2, 3 double crochet, and all the way you have to repeat that all the way to the end. Okay, and on the top here, and this the next row, okay, so chain 3, and each chain you have to put 1 double crochet. Okay, so until you finish here, and then when we got here we have to chain 3, okay, and in the same stitch we have to add 2 double crochet, and then skip 2, 3 double crochet, skip 2, 3 double crochet, skip 2, 3 double crochet, and you are going to repeat that all the way to the end. Okay, so hopefully guys you followed with me. Okay, so this is really easy. Okay, you just have to stop, okay, the video, and then do your part. Okay, and then continue. If you can't follow the first one, and then you just have to replay. Okay, so I will link, okay, I will put the link into the description box on how to do, okay, step-by-step tutorial of a bikini. Okay, and then you can just adjust from there. and then as well as the flower. Okay, the flower tutorial is, I will put that into the link as well. And with this string here, with this string, I will put the link as well, because I do have a tutorial for this, but this is just a chain. Okay, so a chain, how long you need. Okay, and then when you got here, okay, you have to single crochet all the way to the end. Okay, and then chain again, chain until you've got your measurement. Okay, and then after that we are just going to single crochet going back. Okay, single crochet going back, and here single crochet as well, single crochet until you get to the end. And the same as the other side. Okay, so you have to chain. Okay, you have to chain, and then here you have to single crochet and then chain, and then after that you have to come back with a single crochet all the way, single crochet all the way to the end. Okay, so I will put the link as well, guys. I will put the link as well into the description box, because I do have a string or a cord tutorial. Okay, and one of those is the single crochet string. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and hopefully you like this video. If you have any comments and stuff, please leave a comment below. I know I didn't go through the whole thing, but I do have a tutorial, so I will just leave it in the description box, and please check it out. Okay, and this one is very easy. It's just you have your measurement, you have to get your measurement and just work on the rows that you need, and you will be fine. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and hopefully you like this video, and I have given you an idea on a very like festive bikini with the Christmas season coming up. Okay, and thank you very much, guys, and thank you very much for all for everyone that subscribe into my channel, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, and if you if you want, you can press the subscribe button and that notification bell, so you will get notified every time I do a tutorial. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and thanks for watching. Until to the next video, bye.